Hey there, ice cream friends. It's Evan with Slice's Concession. And as the world is opening up and spring is here, we are thinking about ice cream as we always do here at Slice's Concession. And today we are making some premium soft serve with Green Mountain flavors. So today we whipped out a strawberry and a blackberry. So we took a basic 4.5% or 5% soft serve mix, and you can get this no matter where you live. If you're in Arizona, Shamrock. If you're in the south of California, you could use Scott Brothers. If you're in the north, you could use Petaluma Dairy, or you could use any of the other dairies. If you're in the east, there's all kinds of regional dairies everywhere you go in every state that are going to sell you a really nice 4.5% soft serve mix. It's wet mix, so that means that it needs to go into a fridge, and then it needs to be cycled first in, first out, and it has a shortened lifespan because it actually is a dairy product in your fridge. It's not dry, but it has a much more creamy texture, and it has a really velvety, smooth mouthfeel, and customers tend to enjoy a wet product. If you're going to go to a dry product, then you want to just make sure that you're doing enough volume. So today we are doing our Green Mountain flavors, and we have a Taylor C723 here. So this is the replacement of the Taylor 338. It's the same guy. You'll notice that this is on a cart, and so these Taylor C723s can come with a ADA cart, or it can come with just the machine. And the machine can be countertop. So we have two flavors and a twist. That's how we call it in the industry, or chocolate, vanilla, and twist. And we have two hoppers, two barrels, and then one compressor does both these barrels. This is a great medium-high machine. So for instance, this machine is going to a hotel and it's going to be there in their lobby for catering. And that's great. This can handle, multiple cones back to back. But this isn't for someone who's looking to, have most of their business run from a machine like this. And that's what's really important, is there's so many good deals out there, right, on ice cream machines, and you don't always know what a good deal is, and you don't really know what you need for your product. And that's where we come in, because we know after hearing your dream and your inspiration for your frozen dessert store, we can say, all of the other people who have done that before you, we know, we have this experience, and we say, you need that model for that. Oh, but if you're gonna do that product, you need to have that. And that's where we come. That's our value-added service to you. And another thing we do is we help connect you with great suppliers. So Green Mountain Flavors is a stupendous company. Stan and his team and family are just awesome. They can help you with all natural and organic flavorings and colorings for your soft serve, batch freezer, and baking needs. When it comes to customer service, when it comes to the purity of the product, you just can't get much better. So we took some basic 4.5% mix, and then we added in the flavorings and colorings, and you'll see some video of that. And it's always important to make sure you use a scale when you measure out anything in ice cream, because scales are so much better than volume measuring. And we added it, and within 10 minutes, we've got two flavors. So let's take a look. And there, we have a strawberry on one side and a dark raspberry on the other, and it tastes absolutely amazing. It's natural, it's organic, and it's really tasty. And so just with adding Green Mountain flavors, your soft serve can go from boring to way above basic. It can be organic, it can be natural, it can be fresh. You could have turmeric flavors, ube flavors, Mediterranean flavors, Southeast Asian, it doesn't matter. With Green Mountain flavors and a soft serve machine from Slice's Concession, you can be selling cones like this and making over 40% profits off a cone. Thank you.
It's Chris with Slice's Concession, and today we're going to talk about a great business that we partner with called Green Mountain Flavors. And we've got some of their natural strawberry flavor right here, and we're going to make up actually a couple different recipes today. I'm just going to show you one of them. It's really simple. So let me take the camera off here and show you just how simple it is. So I'm going to start off with here, we've got our vanilla ice cream. Really simple stuff, 4.5% butterfat soft serve mix that we got from our local restaurant supply chain. And so you have a starting point. You can see I've kind of scratched that out there, but their starting point they give you is 2.5 gallons, and they say 5% fat soft serve mix, but 4.5 works just great. We've done this a couple times before. So what I did is I'm going to do two sides of a soft serve machine, and we had 3 half gallons of this vanilla soft serve. So what we did was just went and changed that to 0.75 gallons, or 3/4 of a gallon. and then that ended up being 0.3 based on their 2.5 gallon starting point recipe. So we took the strawberry flavor and changed that. Now, learning from my mother-in-law, who is quite an accomplished baker, everything is better when done by weight. And I found, like, between ounces and grams, the grams gets you more accurate. So what I did is I just changed, took this and multiplied both these by 0.3. So we got 26.5 grams of the strawberry flavor and 7.25 grams of the red beet juice concentrate. And they show you down here that you can do a different variation here for strawberries and cream flavor. So what we do here is just take our flavoring here and just get the scale. Best thing that I would recommend here is a scale that can measure in hundredths of a gram. So we're going to take our strawberry flavor here and make sure this is all zeroed out. And so we've got 26.5 grams of the strawberry flavor. The difference between 0.5 and 0.8 when it comes to grams is very, very little. So I would say you're pretty close there. So we're going to go ahead and set that aside and get another cup here, and we're going to do the red beet juice concentrate. This is going to give that nice nice strawberry red color, and we're going to go with 7.25 grams of that. A little bit over. And a little bit under, and just give it another little dash. And when it comes to grams, just a little bit is enough to be off. So we're just gonna little dollop back in there, and we're at 7.19. That is close enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take both of these things and dump them right in that bucket. And you can see there we've got that nice light pink strawberry color there. And we're gonna go ahead and put that in a soft serve machine, and in a few minutes we'll have some excellent tasting strawberry soft serve made from vanilla base and Green Mountain flavors.